Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. If your Mozilla Firefox bookmarks bar looks crowded with long bookmark names, don't worry, you can easily clean it up by showing only the bookmark icons and hiding the text. This makes your bookmarks bar look clean, minimal and more professional. It also gives you extra space to add more bookmarks without clutter. In this video, I will show you how to show bookmarks icons only in Mozilla Firefox and hide the text on the bookmarks bar. So let's get started. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your Windows 11 or 10 PC. Now to quickly show or hide this one bookmarks bar, press Ctrl plus Shift plus B on your keyboard. Once the bookmark bar appears below the address bar, you will see your saved bookmarks showing both icons and text. To hide the text and keep only the icon, right click on any bookmark and here select Edit Bookmark. In the name field, delete everything and then click on the Save button. That's it. Now you will notice that only the website icon, also called the favicon, is visible on the bookmarks bar. You need to repeat the same steps for other bookmarks if you want to show icons only. If you ever want to bring the text back, simply right click the bookmark again, choose Edit Bookmark, type the name again in the name field and click Save. This simple trick makes your Firefox browser look much cleaner and more organized. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful Windows and browser tips. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.